Verifying your bank account on Peloton is an important step to ensure smooth transactions for your subscriptions and purchases. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into your Peloton account. Open the Peloton app or website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your account information handy. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Settings. Once logged in, go to the Account Settings or Profile section. Look for the Payment Settings option, which is typically found under Billing or Payment Methods. Step 3. Add your bank account. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Confirm your bank account. After entering your bank details, Peloton may require you to confirm your account. This could involve receiving a small deposit or verification code from your bank, which you will need to enter back in the Peloton app. Step 5. Complete the verification process. Follow any additional prompts to finalize the verification. Once completed, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your bank account has been successfully verified. By following these steps, you can ensure that your bank account is properly linked to your Peloton account, allowing for seamless transactions.